Hello guys, welcome to Sham's Garden. Quite a few days back, my cat was vomiting and it had worms in it. I thought of giving some deworming medicine to my cat. Well, I don't prefer artificial or allopathic medicine for any kind of disease. So I tried to make some natural medicine at home with the ingredients that I had in my kitchen cupboard and with some plant leaves. Stay tuned in the video to know how to make deworming tablets which even you can consume. So the things that you'll need are some neem leaves, cumin seeds, turmeric powder and salt. Wash the neem leaves thoroughly such that there's no dirt in it. Well, make sure the leaves are really clean because you're going to be using for deworming. So I'll be mentioning a lot of scientific names in here. If you're not able to keep up, I'll always leave the links in the description. You could go and check them out. Neem has azadirachtin content in it. Turmeric has curcumin content in it. Cumin has cuminaldehyde, and as always, uppu tinnava thanni kudistha avanu. So if you're gonna eat more salt, you're gonna drink more water. So that's the reason I'm adding salt. Well, salt kills a lot of bacteria. That's another reason that I'm using salt. Remove the neem leaves and use only the leaves. Don't use the stalk because it will get stuck in the mixie. You must have 50 grams of neem leaves, 10 grams of turmeric powder, 10 grams of cumin seeds and a pinch of salt. Well, put everything together in the mixie and try to make a paste out of it. Don't try to make it like chutney. Well, you can see it has quite a good consistency and it's sticky. Well, with this you can make pills out of it. Well, I'll be showing you on how to make pills. Try to take a little amount. Well, you know the actual size of a pill, so try to keep it as a reference and try squeezing it and making it into a small pill-like structure. Well, since this is a natural medicine, even if you overconsume or even if you underconsume, it will have no effect. So try to take the adequate amount which I've suggested. Well, unlike other gardeners and YouTubers, I'll not be mentioning anything out of thin air. I'll always leave the link and the research articles in the description, so you could always go and check them out. Well, you could see the links that I provided in all my previous videos. Well, everything has scientific evidence backed it. Well, I'll try to make a few pills out of it. Since this is a natural medicine and it's homemade, the shelf life of this is quite short than the allopathic medicine that you buy at stores. Well, you could always refrigerate and use this between 3 to 7 days. Try to consume it within that time. After that, it will start losing its effect. You could consume this every day, but try to eat it in empty stomach. Well, you will start to see the effects between 4 to 5 days after you start eating this. You will see worms coming out of your excretion. So I'm refrigerating this. Well, you may have seen how to make the medicine and how to make it into pills. Well, it's quite easy to consume too. When it comes to deworming, you could give this medicine to all animals. For example, you could give it to your dogs, cats, birds, even your pet birds, poultry, ducks, cows, goats, sheep, any animal. This deworming tablet would surely work. Well, natural medicine will surely work, but it will take quite some time, like 3 to 7 days. If you are able to wait for these many days, you could surely consume them. If you can't, then I'm sorry, you may have to consult a doctor. So I'll be showing you how to consume this tablet. For adults, 1 tablet would be enough, and for children, you could give half a pill. Well, this is the normal sized pill. I'm going to consume and show this. Well, a lot of you may have doubts whether this is consumable by humans or not. so I'll show you by consuming it. Well, here's the tablet. You can see it. When you try to taste it, it will be quite bitter. Well, if you like the taste, you could taste it, but I really don't like it, so I prefer to take it as a pill. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon near it to receive notifications. If you have any doubts, you could always leave it in the comment section, and there's my social media channels below. You could always click on them and contact me personally. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.